Here is the first lecture in the course how to find topics for YouTube videos. I would be using YouTube search bar to find topics for YouTube videos. Normally as a user you would be using YouTube search bar to find specific videos. Now as a YouTuber I will let you know how to use YouTube search bar to find topics to make YouTube videos. Now as a user I want to know how to make pizza and I want to search for that video. So I would be going to YouTube search bar and type how to make pizza and hit enter. Now you could see that YouTube has shown all the videos which teaches me how to make pizza. Now as a YouTuber I will let you know how to use YouTube search bar to come up with topics for YouTube videos. Let's say you have decided to make video on how to make pizza. So this is your topic and you need to make sure that you need to choose the right title so that more number of people will view your video, which in turn gets you more views as well as more money. So this is how YouTube works. So you need to make sure that you need to use the right title. So let's say you have decided to make a video on how to make pizza. So enter the same thing in YouTube search bar like how to make pizza and press space bar, and you could see that there are a lot many suggestions like how to make pizza at home, how to make pizza in Hindi, how to make pizza without oven at home, how to make pizza sauce, and there are a lot many suggestions being shown in the YouTube search bar. So what do you think these suggestions are? So YouTube is showing these suggestions on what people are searching for how to make pizza. So these are the terms or words or phrases which are entered by people in the YouTube search bar. So when you have decided to make a video on how to make pizza, make sure that you use titles from one of these suggestions so that when people come to YouTube search bar and type how to make pizza, they would come across these suggestions and they would select one of these suggestions, and YouTube shows search results in such a way that your video title matches a search term entered in the YouTube search bar. So you have to choose the video title in such a way that what people are searching for. And YouTube search bar helps us in finding the right topic by showing the suggestions. So and let's say you want to make a video on how to make pizza, and choosing the right title is also very important. While choosing the title also you need to make sure that you include multiple keywords in the title. Let me explain what is that. Let's say you want to make a video on how to make pizza. If you choose title as only how to make pizza, you are including only one keyword, that is how to make pizza. But if you choose the title as how to make pizza without oven at home in Hindi, or how to make pizza without oven at home, and let me give one more space, it shows some more suggestions. Like let me go for last option, how to make pizza without oven at home with pizza base. And these include multiple keywords like how to make pizza is one keyword, how to make pizza without oven is other keyword, how to make pizza without oven at home, this is the third keyword, and how to make pizza without oven at home, and how to make pizza without oven at home with pizza base is the fourth keyword. So choosing the title how to make pizza without oven at home with pizza base includes all the four keywords, and your video will be ranked with any of these keywords. Let's say I want to make a video on websites which allows user to watch movies online for free without downloading or signing up. So what I would search is websites to watch movies for free. If you see, there are a lot many suggestions like websites to watch movies for free without sign up or without signing up on, or it shows that websites to watch movies for free on Android. But let me try by giving one more keyword like without. And if you see websites to watch free movies for free without sign up, and there are a lot many suggestions like without downloading or signing up. And this includes multiple keywords like websites to watch movies, websites to watch movies for free, websites to watch movies for free without downloading, websites to watch movies for free without signing up, and websites to watch movies for free without downloading and signing up. This includes multiple keywords, and if I make a video with this title, my video will rank for all these keywords. And let me hit enter and see what are the videos made on these. If you see, there are three search results from the same channel, Tech Mirages. And if you see the title of the video, it says that 6 free movie websites to watch free movies online without downloading and signing up. So you need to make sure that you need to take the perfect title from the YouTube search suggestions. And I would suggest you to choose the title for your YouTube video from YouTube search suggestions in such a way that the title should include multiple keywords so that your video will rank for those multiple keywords. So this is one of the simple way to use YouTube search bar to find title for your YouTube videos. And in this lecture, I want to also include one of the things like when you enter search text and hit the search bar, you could see all the videos. And do you know on what basis YouTube shows the search results? I'll let you know how to see that. Just click on the filters and you could see that it is being sorted on relevance. It means that YouTube shows the search results based on the relevancy, like more number of watch time, more number of views, more number of comments, more number of likes, and many more. And one of the most important thing is that YouTube always shows or gives a preference to the videos which are uploaded very recently. If you see that there are a lot many videos which are uploaded like 1 year back, 1 year ago, 9 months ago, but for the search term, you could see that YouTube is showing the videos which are 6 months ago, 1 month ago, 1 month ago. So YouTube gives a priority to the recent uploaded videos rather than old videos. So make sure that you choose the right title for your YouTube videos from the YouTube search suggestions. And in the next lecture, I would teach you how to use Google search bar to find topics for YouTube videos.